Okay, guys, this one is example 1. It says graph y equals x squared. Okay, y equals x squared. It says label the vertex, provide the equation of the line that is the axis of symmetry. Okay, so there are a few things that I need to do. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to find the vertex. Now, we talked about this in the intro. This says y equals x squared plus 0x plus 0, right? That's the same thing. So a is equal to 1, b is equal to 0, and c, thank you, and c is equal to 0. Okay? Now, for me to find the vertex, the x-coordinate is always minus b over 2a. So let's figure out what that is. Negative b over 2 times a. So I'm going to plug in 0 over 1. Oh, look. It's just 0 over 2, which is equal to 0. So the x-coordinate is 0. All right? Now I need to find the y-coordinate. And I find the y by plugging in the x. Well, if I plug in y equals x squared, and that's y equals 0 squared, that's just going to give me 0 too. Okay, so the vertex is at the origin. Okay, now, let me draw my graph here. And I know the vertex is at the origin, 0, 0. I also know, because a is positive, that this graph turns up. Okay, so I know it's going to look like that. But I need my t-chart now. So let me go down here. I'm going to do x and y. I know that 0 is my vertex, so I need two numbers to the left of that. Well, how about negative 1 and negative 2? And I need two numbers to the right. We'll use 1 and 2. They're the same distances. Since negative 1 is 1 unit from 0, I'm going to use positive 1. It's 1 unit from 0. They have to be the same distance from the vertex. So then they don't have to be, but it's easy to check myself that way. So I'm going to need to plug it in. So y is equal to negative 1 squared. That means that y is equal to 1. So when x is negative 1, y is 1. Y is equal to negative 2 squared. So y is equal to 4. Good. I think we can see this. Y is equal to 1 squared, which is 1. And y is equal to 2 squared, which is 4. So now I've got my 5 points. I've already got the vertex on there. Okay? All right, so let's plot these points. Oh. Okay. Now, I've got 0, 0. Negative 1, 1. Put it right there. Negative 2, 4. Okay, got it. And then, let's go down some. 1, 1. And 2, 4. All right. So my parabola is going to look something like that. If I could draw a little bit better. There we go. That's a little better. There we go. That's it. Okay, now let me make sure I did everything that the question asked me to do. First it said label the vertex. Check. Did that. There it is. If the pointer would come. There we go. Labeled the vertex. Provide the equation of the line that is the axis of symmetry. Oh, wait a minute, guys. This is the line that cuts it immediately in half. It goes through x is 0, so the equation is x equals 0. It's a vertical line through 0. And that's it. I graphed it, I labeled the vertex, and I gave the axis of symmetry. All right? Good. Good job, guys.